Hey guys, it's me, Nemi, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be doing something a little bit interesting. First of all, I am in an editing space right now. The original footage for this part of the video was a little bit too blurry, so I decided to refilm it and actually talk to you guys instead of doing a voiceover. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really cool zebra look that is inspired by the asexual pride flag, because I am filming this in June, which is Pride Month. So I wanted to celebrate as many of our LGBTQAI+ community as I could. So I was really inspired by, actually, there's a story. So I was really inspired by this one particular picture on the internet, which I will show right here. So my problem with this is that I don't know who this creator is. So I found it just when I looked up zebra makeup on Google, and that one was the one that really spoke to me. And when I tried to do research as to who the creator of this look was, all I got was a Pinterest and Beautylish link. It seemed like this may have been a zebra tutorial that Beautylish had on their website at some point, but when I actually click on it from Pinterest, if that makes sense, if I actually click on it, the video, it says that I can't find it on the website. So I've seen this picture like on the internet a lot, so I'm sure somebody out there knows who this creator is and what the exact source is. So if somebody could comment below and let me know what that is, I will credit them in the description, obviously, once I figure out who this creator is, because I want to give them their due. They absolutely did inspire this look, and so yeah, I want to give them that credit. So yeah, that look plus the asexual flag, which are the colors black, white, gray, and purple, that is what inspired this look. So without further ado, let me show you how I did it. So the first step is to dip into the Mayron Makeup Paradise AQ color palette, and we're going to take the color white, and we're going to put that on both sides of the face, one side towards the top and one side towards the middle. And we're just going to lay down as many layers of the white until we can get a really nice thick consistency here. Now don't worry about being super messy, because we will make sure to clean it up later. Now that that's done, I'm going to take the Sugar Pill Pro Pan palettes in shade Taco and Diamond Eyes, and I'm going to place the powder over the white that we've already used and just make that white pop. Now the second step is to dip back into the Mayron palette with the color black, and we're going to start making our zebra stripes. It's really easy to go ahead and start with the eyebrow on the first side, because we can just take that out, as you can see here, and make it a clean line. Again, don't be afraid to go bold with these lines. And we're just going to outline the white part, and we're just going to keep going with as many zebra stripes as we can. I'm going to apologize in advance because these sections are going to be a little bit long without a lot of input or talking from me, and the reason for that is because on paper the process is really simple. It's just put down white, put down some black lines, but it actually took a little bit of a while to execute it, so bear with me with just not a lot of talking from me. So that is what that side looks like when it's done. I think it looks really cool. And now that we have that laid down, we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, we're just going to outline the white as well as we can with this black, and then fill in the lines in between. Now that I'm done putting the lines on both sides of my face, I'm going to go ahead and take the black and the same brush and fill in my eyebrow with that color. Seems a little bold, but I want it to be like that so that it matches well with the rest of the look. And this is me, so we have to do a hair adjustment in the middle of the video before moving on to the next step. And that next step is to grab a foundation brush and a foundation and go ahead and start cleaning up underneath the lines. As you can see here, I just had a little bit of white excess, so I'm just taking that foundation and covering that up a little bit. And in the spots that are a little bit harder to access, I'm going to use a very tiny beauty blender sponge and just blend that all in as well as I can. And now that that step is done, I'm going to prime my eye with the NYX Cosmetics eyeshadow primer so that I can get ready to put on the Sugar Pill eyeshadow, which is in the shade Poison Plum. Now this is another discontinued shade that they have, unfortunately, but you can take a similar bright purple / magenta color, and as you can see here, just put it down in the crease of the lid like I'm doing. This is going to be your base transition color, so put that into the crease and then blend upwards as much as you can. Now, the next shade that we're going to dip into is shade Ego, also by Sugar Pill. Now, this one is not discontinued. It should be about $10 on their website, in fact. And we're going to take that and just really emphasize that crease and blend that in with the Poison Plum color as well as we can. We're just going to create a really, really nice blending effect here. Don't be afraid to dip into either color as many times as you need to get the desired effect. All blended in, we're going to dip into shade Flurry, which is also a newer shade, and we're going to just put that underneath the brow bone and blend that in with the other two colors. And now that we're done with that, we're going to dip into the NYX Glitter Glue and glitter in shade Crystal. We're going to put that right on top of the lid where we already put the purple. And this is going to really create a super nice contrast between a silver and purple. As you can see, it's really pretty. And now we're going to put that on the other side as well into the white spaces so that we create a really beautiful glitter effect all over, because I'm me and I love glitter on everything and everywhere. Now we're going to fill in the same glitter on the other side as well. And as you can see, while I was doing all of this, I got a surprise visitor. This is one of my 4 cats, and his name is Maestro Figaro. Now he is so sweet. Look at that. I just love to give him kisses, and he gives them back. As you can see, he is literally sparkly and so sweet, and at the time of filming, he is my youngest boy. He is about 11 months old. Love him so much. He is my zebra twin for this episode. Alright, Figaro, see you later. Now that we have gotten that good mental break, we're going to move on to the next step, which is taking the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And when we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and dip back into the black and just fill in the lines a little bit after putting the glitter on so that there's a little bit more of a contrast between the black and the white. After another return of Figaro, we're going to dip into the Sugar Pill Liquid Lipstick, and this is shade Spank. And then also we're going to dip into their Bloom Candy Gloss and just put that on. And that is what it looks like. Now this is the final look. as you can see. I really like it. I'm really glad that I found that inspiration earlier, and I hope you guys liked it too. If you liked this video, then make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications for every time I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I was happy to do it for you, so if you want to see more like this, then let me know. But I love you guys so much, and I am excited to see you in the next one. Bye guys!